Welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation tutorial about Java stream. So here I have covered multiple example, real world example, that how this Java stream is help us to do the complex things in a easy way. Now in this session we will introduce the problem we will be solving using the Java stream. The goal is to process employee data for a payroll system to calculate the total salaries, find the highest paid employee, and filter employee based on the department. So what is the problem? So let's say there is a list of employee. So from there what we are going to do? We are going to calculate that total salaries, find the highest paid employees, and filter out employees based on the department. So for that what we are going to do, we are going to defining the data models. After that we are going to create the list of employees. Mostly in real application we are going to fetch the employee from the database, but here we are not going to do so because we are going to use some kind of the static employees and provide some dummy data. Based on that we are going to use some kind of the filter, and we are going to calculate total salaries, find out the highest paid employee, and filter the employee by department. So how you are going to doing that? So for that first of all we need to define the model. What model? So first of all we need to create one employee class over here. So let me create it. So now you can see that this particular employee class having these three fields: name, salary, and department. Here we have used the constructor where it's a parameterized constructor. Here we are passing these three parameter: name, salary, and the department, and also we are setting the variables over here, and we are using this getter and setter. Okay, next we are going to, after defining the model, we are going to create one main class from where we are going to write the logic. Let's say the name of its payroll system. Okay, so here basically we are going to use this main method. So that's why I'm just using this which method stop would you like to create. So that's why we are going to use this public static void main. So this is the payroll system class where we are going to use this main method. Now here first of all what we are going to do, we are going to defining list of employees. So here you can see that this is the list of employees. So how we are going to add this one? So for that we are using this arrays dot as list. Here actually we are defining multiple employee. So that means it's a list of employee. So you can see arrays dot as list. Here we are defining multiple employees. This is one employee, this is another, then Charlie, David, and the Eve. And here also if you see, this the first argument is the name, then salary, and then department. So here are actually multiple department over here like HR, IT, finance, then IT and HR, and these are the salary and these are the name. So the list of employee is now it's actually ready. Basically in real world situation we are going to fetch the employee details from the database, but as we are going to demonstrating some features of the stream, so that's why we are not going to fetch the details from the database. We are just going to provide some kind of the static information over here. Next we are going to process the employee data using the Java stream. So first of all we need to calculate total salaries. So for that we are going to use the streams, and this stream actually having one method that map to doubles, and then we can use the like sum method. So let me use this one. So if you see this list actually we are having the stream, then using the map to double, here we are using the salary, so it will convert this int to double, and then we are just doing sum. So what it will do, it will just print the total salaries of the employees. So if I run this application, then it will print that total salary of the employees. So this is the total salaries combined of all the employees. So here we are using the sum method from this map to double like this stream. Next, if we want this actually map to double actually maps the stream of employees to their salaries and sum the calculate the total. Next, we are going to find out the highest paid employee. So for that, we are going to use the max method from this stream. So I am adding this code over here. Okay, so this max actually find the employee with the maximum salary using the comparator method, right? So here if you see this employees dot stream, then this max method actually over here, it's actually find the employees who is actually having the highest paid employee. So that's why we are for comparison actually we are using this comparator, right? So then it will actually basically return this optional of this one. Optional means there may be possibly that they are able to find the data or not. So that's why here actually are checking that if it is present, then only it's actually print the data like employee name and salary. Employee name and then salary of this particular employee. Okay, if it is present. So that's why here is the method that if it is present. Now if we run this one, then we can get the details like the David and the salary is 95,000. So if you see over here, over all the employees, David having the 95,000. So that's why this is the highest or max salary of the employees. Okay, next is the we are going to filter the employees by department. So let's say if we want to, so there is a multiple department like HR, IT, finance, IT and the HR. So if we want to filter out the employees by department, let's say we need to filter out employees belonging to the IT department. So how we are going to doing that? So let me write the code for it. So here if you see that code, so we are going to again like we are using this employees.stream, then here we are going to use this filter. This filter actually selects employees belonging to the IT department. So here if you see that we are doing the comparison, we are doing the checking like IT means it's a department. How we are checking? Employees dot get department. If it is match, then only we are going to collect the employees name into a list of employees. And here using this iterator we are going to use the for each for like printing the data like IT employees is the employee name and the salary. Now let it run. So using the IT actually employees, there is a two IT employees, one is the Bob and another one is the David, right? So now in the output the IT employee is the Bob and salary is 85,000. Another one is David where salary is the 95,000, right? So this is in this way basically we can use this example actually showcase that how Java stream can be used to process employee data in a payroll system, providing a clear and efficient way to handle common tasks like calculating total salaries, finding the highest paid employee and filtering out employees by department, right? If you have any other things, please do let me know in the comment section. This is all about this one like advanced Java stream, how we are going to use for this payroll system. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment system, in the comment, and feel free to ask anything. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.